Okay, with this presentation we're going to learn how to make equal fractions. So here in this example we have 1/3 of 1 over 3 plus 1/2. And we can see here, right, that the kinds are different. So here we have 1 of the thirds kind, and down here we have 1 of the halves kind. So the kinds are different. We can't combine those of different kinds. We have to compare and combine those of the same kinds. So these have to be same, and they're not right now, they're different. Okay, so how we make them the same? Well, an easy way of doing it is if we're going to change this fraction here, we have to look at the other fraction. So we have to look here. Okay, so this is the halves kind, and if we want to change that 1/3 on the top, then what we have to do is we have to multiply, since we're looking here at the bottom, we have to multiply the 1/3 by 2. So we multiply 1 times 2 on the top, and we also do the same to the bottom. Okay, and that's because we're just sort of switching them. So now, okay, to change the 1/2, we have to look on the tops of the thirds. Okay, so how are we going to change the 1/2? We're going to multiply that. And what are we going to multiply it by? It's going to be this one. Okay, so we look here and we see, okay, so I have a 3 there, so I'm going to multiply that by 3. Okay. Alright. So now I just have to do the math. So let's change the 1/3 first. So we do 1 times 2 is 2. And then 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so I've changed the 1/3 to 2/6. Okay, notice that the top and the bottom number here is the same. It has to be the same. Okay, because these are similar fractions or equivalent fractions because we're multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number. Okay, so now I'm going to change my 1/2. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now I have the fractions are the same kind. Okay, I have 2 of the 6 kind here and 3 of the 6 kind here. So the kinds are the same. So now I can add them. So I get 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, and then the kind is 6. So 1/3 plus 1/2, we change it to 2/6 plus 3/6, and that answer is 5/6, 5 of the 6 kind.